Sly and Robbie and Youth, the founder and bass player, of course, of Killing Joke. The set was recorded at Zach Starkey's new studio in Jamaica, and it will be released by his Trojan Jamaica label, nothing to do with the old Trojan label here in the UK, on August the 28th. If you love Funky Kingston, you're going to love the album. That is the lead single taken from it. It's called Gotta Be Tough, title track from the album. And what can you say about Toots that hasn't been said already? He was, of course, at the vanguard of Jamaican popular music in the formative ska years. Having recorded, wait for this, one of Cox and Dodd's most popular dub plates long before it was released. The song was The 6 and 7 Books. You know that ska record? And I only learned that this week, that it was played on as a dub plate, thanks to Rich Lowe's book, The Matador, a fascinating in-depth study of Lloyd Daley, the sound system operator and record producer. And if you'd love to know more about the development of Jamaican sound system culture in the 50s and 1960s in Jamaica, it is essential reading. Of course, the new lockdown format and time slot means that the second hour of the show between 6 and 7 is made up entirely of classic songs, back to back, and the first hour is strictly new music. So let's get on with the new music. Here's Alfie's.
Listen to Rich Lowe. Rodigan says so.
Why dance sweet now? Dance sweet!